It's a stuffed animal for Caitlin for Valentine's Day. Get it, Blondie? Gonna get it?
Boy, come here. Look at this big dog.
There's Papa.
Oh no. Get him, Charlie. Get him. Get him, Charlie. Get him. Come on. Get him, Charlie.
Hey, Charlie did a double tap. You know what Charlie did, Roy?
What?
Well, she's had this hidden in our bedroom closet. So I got it down out of the bedroom closet, and Charlie was in there. So I put it down on the floor. Charlie looks at it, and he backs up, and then he starts stroking it.
Get it, Blondie. Get it.
Get him, Blondie. Get him, Charlie. Get him. Get him. Get him here, Charlie. Get him. Get him.
Charlie knows now.
Huh?
The Blondie's not sure.